Okay, here's a really quick tutorial on how you use the Misspelling Traffic Tornado plugin. It's one of the simplest plugins you can possibly use, and it's one of the most powerful. So first thing you do is just download the plugin. Okay, I've already saved it to my desktop, and we're going to go install it. So just go to Plugins, Add New, Upload. Here it is on the desktop. Install and activate. Okay, so let's try it out. Let's take a new page here, and we'll call this misspelling test. And let's say we're promoting an Amazon product. In fact, let's just be smart here. Here to Amazon, and we'll type in camcorder. So we got the Toshiba, whatever that is. And that's fine for the content. This is just an example. Okay, so the misspelling thing is located right here. Just click it, and we're going to go ahead and copy that and stick it in there. Click these keys, click Generate, Insert. You can see all the misspellings here. Go ahead and publish. View page. As you notice, you can't see the misspellings, so your customers won't see them. Let's go ahead and look at page source. And there they are, ready for the search engines to find all these typos that are very common. And that's it. That's really all there is to it. It's a very powerful plugin, and it's incredibly simple to use, and you basically should, I think, put it on every single page of every single website that you build.